Jadi pakai thumbnail dulu. Udah. Lalu. Eh. Oke, yuk. Aduh, main lagi. Kita nggak tahu ngapain. Ini apa lagi nih? Bisa buat shift. Pencet tab keluar begituan, cok. Bagus lah ya, versi progress. Jadi mari kita lanjutkan. Gue belum ganti stick lagi, lupa, ya Allah. Maaf, semoga bener.
Holy moly. I guess this is what these buildings look like up close. They're so damn tall. So what happened here?
Bombed the hell out of the surrounding areas to the quarantine zones, hoping to kill as much of the infected as possible. It worked.
Bentar ya. Ini ada item atau note atau sesuatu seperti sepertinya tidak ada. Sudah lah ya. Aduh, masih begitu, lupa gocok. Aduh, ada apa ternyata di atas sini.
What the hell was that?
Tess, you hear that?
Yeah. Sounded pretty far away, though.
Are we safe?
For
No.
now. Come on.
Dorong banget.
Quite a drop.
There's the Capitol building.
Yeah. We need to get around this mess.
This is the downtown area?
It was. Now it's a giant wasteland.
Ya, berarti kita ke sini.
Over here.
Over here.
You find anything over there?
No.
Keep looking. You just stay close to her for now. Hey, Tess.
Coming.
Waduh. Kosong.
It's been ripped apart.
Hmm.
Thought it's been fresh. Yeah, it might be. Let's not stick
Baru
around.
ini katanya. Oke, ada yang buat ini upgrade senjata lumayan. Permisi. Kayaknya kita emang harus naik, cuma gue penasaran yang di sana bisa di explore nggak? Oh, nggak bisa. Oke. Tapi emang harus ke atas. Ya. Nice, dapat ammo lagi. Oke. Catatan si tentara ya.
Waiting for backup.
Tuh, ke atas lagi. Oke. Buntu sih, cuma kalau misalkan ada item, nah kan full. Buatin deh. Biar bisa ininya bisa kita ambil. Nice. Misi kali misi. Awas. Clicker.
Clicker.
Oh ini.
Jeez. What's wrong with his face?
The years of infection do.
So what, are they blind?
Sort of. They see using sound.
Like bats?
Like bats. If you hear one clicking, you gotta hide. Just spot.
Semakin lama ternyata infectednya
The building
juga
feels like it's about to
berevolusi.
fall apart.
Suplemen boost your survival skill. Ya survival skill. Ini dulu sih maximum health sama listen mode ini nih. Paling penting.
Watch your head.
Oh.
Really cool. Everything is totally cool.
Oke. Ada tape sama gunting. Mari kita kesini.
Give me a hand with this.
Nice. Oh. Krut. Health gue tinggal segitu, cok.
You alright?
It's nothing.
Let's search for supplies.
Shit. Oh, that was intense.
You said it. Here, patch yourself up.
Appreciate it.
Health kit receipt. Oke. Nih kita pakai aja langsung, bahaya nih. Oke, nice. Ada pintu di situ tapi
Let's get the hell out of here.
apa sih, ada apa sih? Kok tiba-tiba ada musik kayak gitu? Nggak tahu lah. Di pintu ini apa nih? Yes, shift. What do we got? Ammo. Segala ada di sini nih, buat lagi berarti. Nice. Biar bisa diambil itu. Kaya ini. Banyak itemnya. Udah. Botol. Ya udah. Lumayan banyak tuh situ dapat. Hai.
Just see if there's a way through.
Go. Manchester City lawan MU.
Come on, Ellie.
All right, kid, you're up.
Alright, kid.
Come on. Come on, let's go. Clickers?
Oh shit.
Go.
Over this couch. I think that's
Okay.
it. Ellie, you okay?
Other than shitting my pants, I'm fine.
Let's go.
Give me a second.
Berisik.
Here you go, ladies.
All right. Come on.
Stairwell's blocked. Should we go back?
This is crazy.
Uh-oh.
Just don't look down.
Are you serious?
Down, higher than a runner. Oh.
Come on, Ellie.
Yeah. Don't look down. Just don't look down.
You're okay. You gotta wait for it.
Revolver. Nice. Oke. Nah, kita pakai ini ya. Coba. Dapat kayu lagi.
Runners.
Hey, go check it out. Stay with the girl.
Dua. Yang kedengeran dua. Tiga. Pipa. Oke. Nice. Sabar. Pancing sini kali ya. Aduh, ada clicker cok di situ. Oh shit. Tuh. Cabut. Lari. Cari botol. Nice. Cabut. Wah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Nice. Oh no.
All right, come on down.
That's it.
Let's just get out of here.
Full health kita, full. Alhamdulillah. Nyalain dong lampunya. Gonna live forever. Udah nggak ada item lagi. So far so good. nggak ada kurang, nggak ada lebih. Lebihnya kita dapat revolver. Lihat titiknya lebih kecil, lebih gampang nge-aimnya. So, kita masuk sekarang. Oh iya, di atas ada something nggak ya? Nggak ada apapun. Udah keambil semua tadi pas lari. Sudah. Oke, tarik. Ya. There we go. Udah, cok. Tes.
Alright, Tess, go.
Alright, hold on.
Hah? Oke. Oh, karena miring. Oke, siap, paham. Kayak alkohol itu ya.
See? Doing alright?
Iya, alkohol buat apa namanya, buat medik. Wow.
Down we go.
Okay, let's get to it. Get through here. Watch your back.
Itu sebenarnya kalau misalkan dari atas itu loncat ke sini langsung mati nggak? Kayaknya nggak terlalu tinggi deh itu. Down we go.
Now I was thinking, after we get back, we can take it easy for a little while.
You want to take it easy.
Hey, you're the one always saying, low.
And you always brush me off.
Well, I won't this time.
I believe it when I see it.
Mana kita? Sini. Yuk. Aha, ada item. Tap.
Through here.
Banyak item ini. Aduh, lakbannya full. Juga full sih. Aduh, shiftnya juga. Listen mode distance. Ini penting sih. Apa maksimum health dulu ya? Ini dulu kali ya. Ini penting soalnya nih. Kalau misalkan health masih bisa diatur. Aduh, full ya sudah. Sorry tape lakban. Nice. Terowongan kereta api.
Look at his sleeve. Firefly.
These guys aren't doing well in or out of the city. So
Ooh.
there's someone arrived to meet us at the drop-off.
Molotov sepertinya. Ya, molotov. Oh. Aduh, bahaya. Cok. Dia mainan molotov. Oh, ada suara-suara. Ada notes nih. Firefly map. Girl, 14 years old, red hair. Ini si Ellie dong. Mana Ellie?
They're not our guys.
Iya kan? Dia kan 14. Red. Rambutnya merah. Kemana kita tes? Ke sini. Ayo. Oh, shit.
Shit.
Here we go again.
Stay out. Okay, Joel, you take point. I'll watch the rear. Ellie, no matter what, you stay right on his heels. Sure. You stay sharp.
I got it.
Clicker stealth. Okay. Ada 2 depan gua. Sumpah ini clicker ngeribetin, cok. Ya mereka buta sih, cuma pendengarannya. Aduh, langsung di shift, cok. Kagak bisa di kotak. Kalau take down clicker harus dipisah. Nah, kalau ini kan bisa di struggle. Alright. Mari kita buat shift lagi. Nice and easy. Ada berapa? 3. Satu di situ. Oke. Clicker kah itu? Oh ya, clicker 2. 3 clickernya, 1 runner. Runner nih. Oke. Nice. Kayaknya yang terakhir kita hajar aja deh. Kalau misalkan clicker. Yang itu terakhir clicker bukan? Clicker juga kayaknya. Tapi nggak ada suaranya sih. Iya lagi clicker juga. Siap-siap lempar ya nih gue nih. Tiba-tiba bocahnya lari. Dia nggak bisa ngelihat, dia nggak bisa ngelihat, dia nggak bisa ngelihat. Nice. Let's go. Aduh, tinggal dikit cok. Udah satu lagi sikat aja lah. Pakai ini nih, pakai botol. Ada dua lagi ternyata. Nice. Oh shit, masih ada runner. Oh no, salah lempar cok. Bentar. Cari something. Oh no, kegigit. Kenapa yang di... Aduh, ulangnya jauh dong. Oh iya kan dari sini. What the shit? Aduh, anjir kok bisa ketahuan cok. Lari. Bentar, sabar. Nice. Lari. Ada yang lari, gila kali ya. Kaget gue, kirain inian zombie. Nggak bisa dilewatin aja loh. Ada dua lagi gitu. Ambilin satu. Kayaknya kalau misalkan clicker larinya nggak begitu cepet kayak runner deh. Oh shit. Oke. Kurang pelan. Santai. Dia bisa sensor.
Through this window.
Oke. Bentar. Sabar, cok. Oh sumpah ini nggak efektif sih. Kayak gini. Abis pisau cok. Halo. Banyak item. Botol lagi. Satu. Ada dua kayaknya. Masih ada satu lagi deh sebelah sana. Aduh. Keluar lagi nih item. Satu lagi kayaknya masih ada deh yang lagi makan gitu. Lagi makan orang. Ada 3 berarti.
This way. What's that last guy? Shit.
Bentar. Itu kayak tadi ada berangkas ya. Coba bentar ya. Tadi ada berangkas bro. Nah ini nih. Need combination. Nyarinya di mana nih gitu combination? Hajar aja langsung ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nice.
Joel?
Udah? Kelar? Udah belum? Udah, sudah kalau udah. Oh belum deh. Masih ada satu lagi nih yang lagi makan di sana. Waktu kita masuk. Nah kan. Ini mah pakai kita start juga bisa nih. Gelap banget gak sih? Gelap banget ya? Astaga. Udah sih harusnya. Belum. Oke. Itu runner sih. Itu runner sih. Nggak bahaya. Klikernya udah habis. Jangan begitu. Tuh. Kenapa nih Joe ini? Joe, jalan yang bener. Oh udah tuh, dia udah lari. Tuker aja. Oke, ada satu. Amonya udah full. Bisa tenang kita ya. Nah, yang jadi masalah di sini adalah combination ini nih, berangkas yang ini nih buka dapat 50 begituan. Tadi bilangnya need combination. Asik. Ayo, ayo.
Holy shit. We actually made it.
Everyone okay?
Yes. Let's move.
You guys are pretty
Let's
good at this
move.
stuff.
It's called luck. And it is gonna run out. So where we going, Tess?
Capitol building's in this direction. Get up over this truck. Let's see what we can find.
Oh shit. Two down. One more to go. Oh, kaget gua. 2-1 Manchester United berhasil comeback. Wah,
They're recently
gila.
infected. The soldiers must have just turned.
Manchester United berhasil comeback
We gotta go.
di babak kedua ini. Sekarang lagi menit 92. Oke, sebelum ke sana kita cek-cek dulu apakah ada yang bisa di loot atau tidak. Sepertinya tidak ada. Sudah, mari kita lanjutkan perjalanan ini. Terasa sangat menyedihkan. Aduh, ini kenapa lagi nih si Joel?
Climb on up.
Yuk, kita ke sini.
Over here.
Aduh, lama sekali.
Okay, double time.
They're coming.
I know.
Okay, that's good, that's good.
Oh shit. Oh no 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 no. Ah. Gila, banyak banget tuh.
Got something on her shoe.
We'll cut through this building. Oops.
Okay, how do we get out of this place?
Let's find out. So Marlene thinks you're a mole?
Well, that's what she believes.
Well, how were you bitten? I mean, you must have been somewhere you shouldn't to find an infected in the zone. Sneak out?
I was in the mall one night.
That place is completely off limits. How the hell did you get in there?
Fire rate. Nanti aja. Kayaknya penting.
You were bitten?
Teman.
I don't think it's afterwards.
I'm surprised she didn't shoot you.
Kita butuh tuh satu.
Oh, she's all
Ini
right.
kita upgrade clip capacity dulu.
It's gonna be fine.
Oke. Nah, terus ini. Dan sisanya simpen aja.
She'll do just fine.
Jadi clip capacity bisa reload, bisa ambil ammo lagi ya. Gak tahu gue. Oke, bentuk. Lumayan. Oh, apa tuh?
Tess,
Kayaknya ini hotel.
shit.
Museum. Oke, museum ternyata. Oh iya deh, ada kapal-kapal kayak gitu. Yuk.
All right, watch your head. Hurry, go, go, go.
Oh.
I'm alive. I'll make my way around.
Look, they're here!
Tess,
Run!
Clickers. Sendiri kita.
Tess.
Shit, banyak banget, cok. Bisa kita lewatin lagi.
Tess. Tess. Shit.
Nggak ada lagi mereka. Mana mereka? Wah, anjir, kaget gue. Aduh, mati. Kita coba lewatin kali ya. Kemana mereka? Ikutin begitu. Pancing lagi. Astaga, kirain saya tidak kena, cok. Ternyata kena. Aduh,
Tess.
itemnya juga ngelang.
Tess. Shit.
Itu dia. Mau nggak mau. Bikin lagi. Oke. Kapan pipa? Tidak tahu, bro. Saya mau namatin ini dulu. Namatin Last of Us. Ini kan Last of Us 1. Nanti bakal ada Last of Us 2 habis ini. Makanya gue main ini dulu karena mau main Last of Us 2. Makanya oh no, nice. Bang bikin muka gua di
Girl! Let go of me, you fucker!
lari, cabut. Oh shit, dua nggak bisa. Dua cabut. Bentar. Anjir kagak mati cok. Oh. Nice. Save. Nice.
Let's still get close.
Bikin muka gue di pipa. Letter ya lah ya. Gak tau lagi. Gue beberapa hari ini udah nggak main FIFA. Lagi nggak main FIFA.
Tess, how you holding up?
Just a bit winded. This way. This will get us to the roof.
How about you, Kate? You okay?
Define okay.
You still breathing?
Do small panic breaths count?
Yeah, they can.
I'm okay.
We gotta find a
Udah
way
pagi
across.
lu.
There she is. That's our building.
Aduh, masih jauh bro. Jauh banget. Aha, ada pun gitu.
Stand back.
Jauh banget, ya Allah.
Watch your step as you're going up, 'cause it's gonna be a little.
Oke.
Was that everything you hoped for?
Jury's still out. Man, can't deny that view.
Come on, this way. Hey, let's pick it up. We're almost done. Stay focused.
Yes, ma'am.
It's right around this corner. Come on.
Nice, udah deket.
Keep moving, kid.
Peluru apa ini? Revolver.
There's a Firefly logo on his arm. What if we get there and they're all dead?
They won't be.
But how do you know?
I just do. Look, it's gonna be fine.
Okay.
Kayaknya si Ellie ini dilindungin banget loh sama si Fireflies. Jangan sampai kelaparan, jangan sampai terluka. Ini buat gimana nih? Awas, misi. P. Aku kembali. Siapa tuh, Cok?
There we go.
Halo, Sepa.
Home stretch, Tess.
Halo. Oke, aduh. Tuh, kenapa dah? rada ngelek-ngelek gitu si Joelnya. Nah.
Just so it's out there, I can't swim.
Look, it looks like it's shallow on the right side. Follow me.
I'm glad Marlene hired you guys.
What do you mean?
I know you guys are being paid for this, but trying to save things.
Yeah, sure thing.
Inilah salah satu supporter dari Spider-Man yang nyariin gimana cara jadi moderator. Siapa ya? Banyak waktu Spider-Man yang pengen jadi moderator, bang, jadi moderator. Here we go. Apa? Aduh.
What happens now?
Pokoknya bulan puasa ya. Main Spider-Man kan bulan puasa.
Maybe they had a map or something to tell us where they were going.
How far are we gonna take
As far as it needs to go. Where is this lab of theirs?
She never said. She only mentioned that it was someplace out west.
What are we doing here? This is not us.
What do you know about us? About me?
I know that you are smarter than this.
Really? Guess what? We're shitty people, Joel. It's been that way for a long time.
No, we are survivors.
This is our chance.
It is over, Tess! Now, we tried. Let's just go home.
I'm not going anywhere. This is my last stop.
What?
Our luck had to run out sooner or later.
What's going on?
No, don't! Don't touch me.
Holy shit. She's infected.
Let me see.
I didn't mean for this.
Show it to me. Oh, Christ.
Oops, right?
Baru itu.
Give me your arm. This was 3 weeks. I was bitten an hour ago, and it's already worse. This is fucking real, Joel. You've got to get this girl to Tommy's. He used to run with this crew. He'll know where to go.
No. That was your crusade. I am not doing that.
Yes, you are. Look. There's enough here that you have to feel some sort of obligation to me, so you get her to Tommy's.
Oh.
They're here.
Damn it.
Terus
I can buy you some
pernah
time
nanyain
afterward.
moderator terus katanya nonton terus.
You want us to just leave you here?
Yes.
There's no way that...
I will not turn into one of those things. Come on. Make this easy for me.
Fine.
No, just go! Just fucking go.
Oke.
Ellie,
I'm sorry. I didn't mean for this.
get a move on.
Berarti kita berdua doang sama Ellie dong. Dulu masih waktu kecil banget seharusnya, sekarang banyakan. Ya udah banyakan. Dulu waktu main Spider-Man masih 60-70 gitu deh.
What the fuck? I can't believe we did that.
Stop.
We just
Item,
left her
item.
to die.
Stop. Stay close to me. We have to move.
Oh man.
Gila ya, udah lama banget.
We'll go upstairs. We'll probably get out from there. Just keep pushing forward.
Oh shit, that Tess.
Tess.
Oh iya ya, I know. You should know. Lihat gak ada yang bilang orang punya PS3 Pro. Nggak inget kalau misalkan PS3 Pro nggak inget. Itu aku siapa sih? Kita dapat rifle. Dan 6 pelurunya.
What do we do? Joel?
I got this.
Banyak, Cok. Three of them.
One false move.
Shit. No. Nice. Where are we going? Oh, stay low. Oh. Nice, headshot.
Come on. Stay with me, come on.
Bro, tinggal 14 pelurunya. Coba dong main COD Warzone 2 lah, waktu itu udah main. Kagak bisa main tembak-tembakan kayak gitu, cok saya. Ntar kali ya nyoba lagi ya. Nggak tahu sih.
What are we doing? Joel, how are we gonna get out of here?
Oh
shit. Stay down, I don't know how many more there are.
Stay low. Ini jelas-jelas kelihatan, bro, kalau kayak gini, kalau orang normal ya.
Report. Hold your position.
Sabar aja. Mereka balik jam 3, jam 4 kalau nggak salah ya, begitulah bocil nanya main Hitler. Hah, Hitler? Aku nggak tahu, masuk live nggak tahu ya cerita. Hitler, Hitman. That's it. Oh shit. Cabut. Oh. Oh no. Rip aim. No. Cabut. Sabar. Heal dulu, bro. Ah shit. Tinggal 10. Aduh, ada dua tuh. Oh, udah. Cabut. Sabar. Mau replace Spiderman ada nggak? Ada. Oke, Ellie.
Joel, there's the exit.
I see. Go look down there. Let's move. What the hell?
Ah, shit. Salah pencet, Cok. Tolong. Wah, lari.
Stay low.
Oke, kita pakai rifle kita. Oh no, lama banget reloadnya. Shit. Ada berapa? Satu ya, udah saya salah satu. Dua, Cok. Wah, lari. Kucing-kucingan ini. Udah gak ada bata tau. That's all of them. Dah. Saran game bola rental dong PS4, PES 2022. Game rental PES 2021 juga cukup. PES 2021 terus pakai patch 2022. Kalau rental tambahin mod cukup kok harusnya. Ya, mari yuk. Nah, itu dia Ellie. Go. No way. Holy. Aduh. Go.
There's a soldier over there.
Nantilah Spiderman yang N pasti ada aku. Oke, sip.
I wasn't lying to you.
Bottom? No, place is empty. I'm gonna find the area.
Kok full aja? Buset tuh tonjokan sampai segitu kenceng. Loh. Kencang amat itu tembakan ya. Jauh. That's the way up kayaknya. Coba di situ kayak menarik dia, ada apa di situ ya? Kenapa sih ini? Bisa naik gak sih? Nggak bisa ya? Kayaknya nggak bisa deh. Oke. Jam 10 tuh.
Hey, I can't swim.
We'll figure
Okay.
something out.
Ini aku loh mas. Saya nggak inget sih bilang kasih tes. Sumpah kagak tahu gua. Siapa sih Claudio? Ellie. Lah. Dia di situ ternyata.
Hey, look, it still works.
There's a ladder. Maybe we can use that.
Nah, Claudio itulah yang katanya aku ngasilin watch. Oke, sip.
You're not gonna leave.
Nope.
Just stay put.
Aduh. Fireflies, logonya Fireflies. terpaksa tidur besok lagi aman, santai bro.
Anything down there?
Dead end.
How gimana cara naiknya, Cok? Oh ini nih ada. Naik
Get on.
Really?
Hurry.
Okay. Be careful.
I got you. I
Okay.
got it.
Thank you. Oh ada 15 nih, pakai ini aja dulu dah. Yang revolver buat nanti. Stand by me. Nobody knows the way it's gonna be. Stand by me. Nobody knows. Yeah, nobody knows. Oke, sudah siang, bro.
Look, about Tess. I don't even know.
Here's how this thing's gonna play out. You don't bring up Tess. Ever. In fact, we just keep our histories to ourselves. Secondly, don't tell anybody about your condition. They'll think you're crazy, they'll try to kill you. And lastly, you do what I say, when I say it. We clear?
Sure.
Repeat it.
What you say goes.
Good. Now there's a town a few miles north of here. There's a fella there that owes me some favors. Good chance he could get us a car.
Okay.
Let's get a move on. There we go.
Lincoln.
Faster to go through here.
Man,
What?
nothing. It's just... I've never seen anything like this, that's all.
You in the woods?
Yeah. Never walked in the woods. It's kind of cool. Why don't you just take me back to my room?
She was up to the task. Why'd she drop you off on us?
Maybe she's better.
Really? Nggak bisa jalan mulus, Cok?
I don't mean to say it. Your friend's chances of survival weren't too high to get you.
She's a lot tougher than me.
Because I doubt I can get either one of us back in this shit. Please. Trust me. I wish there was some other option.
Tuh. Kenapa sih? Aduh. Ini si Ellie.
Oh, shit.
Should we climb it?
No.
Nggak bisa
Climb
dong,
on top
kan
of
ada
it.
itu.
Find a way to go around.
Whoa, look. Fireflies. I mean,
Fireflies.
real fireflies.
Yeah, I see
Okay.
it.
Sorry. Lost my spiders.
Ke atas dong.
You get up here, I'll get a look.
Bagus ini kayaknya. Buset deh. Bisa di-upgrade lah gitu. So. Kemana kita, Ellie? Oh, enggak. Itu ini ada plank. I know. Ini caranya gini. Nice.
Here we go.
Where do you usually live?
Bill.
Different places.
You've never been here, have you?
I know this is where he lives, but no, I ain't never been here personally.
And that smoke, you think that's him?
Sure as hell better be.
Well, let's go check it out then.
Nggak ada item apa ini? Aduh, ini apa nih? Baru bilang ada item, langsung ada item. Masa. Tapi cuma gunting doang, bro. Tidak ada lagi apa? Aduh.
Down here.
I've got a bad feeling
Watch your
about
step.
it.
It's a good drop.
Ayo dong, jalan dong. Tuh. Ini kenapa sih? Alamak. Oh shit. Enggak, si Ellie itu ya.
What is that?
Oh enggak deh, bukan Ellie. Gue cuma ada satu pisau. Lewatin aja lah ya. Lewatin aja lah ya. Giring.
Come here.
Lewatin aja lagi. Walaupun ada item sih di situ, ada rack kayaknya. Ini biarin. Pisau gue tinggal 1, cok.
Scary.
Nah, ini dapet apa itu? Buat pil.
Are you alright?
I'm trying to learn how to whistle.
You don't look like it.
It doesn't sound like I'm gonna whistle.
dia niup gitu. Pills note. Collect more pills. See if I can. Pills note. Bentar. Kayaknya ada yang maksimum health aja dulu lah ya. Karena berbahaya nih, bro. Oke. Oh shit. Lagi, bro.
I hate those things.
Pelan. Oke. That's good. Oke, nice.
It's jammed from the other side.
Here, boost me up.
Sounds
Okay.
like a good idea.
Well, I can't boost you up. How else are we gonna get over there?
Oke, ya sudah, kita coba.
Give me a foot. Listen, just open, okay? Nothing else.
Sure thing.
Easy.
Okay.
Tada.
Thank you.
Bikin nggak ya? Bikin lah ya. Ini juga bikin nih.
So let's say we get a car from this buddy of yours. Then what?
Well, then we go find Tom.
Marlene said he's your brother?
More importantly, he was fired from. You know where to take him.
Okay.
He lives far from here, which is why we need to come up.
Hey, look. No.
Yeah, who knows?
Man, I had an art book filled with these. I always thought they were super cute. Not fairies, though. They creep me out.
All right, then.
Ini kita harus jalan ke sono. Aduh. Oh shit. Oke, ini kebuka. Aman, oke aman. Assalamualaikum. Arcade.
Look at that.
Did you play this before?
No. But I had a friend that knew everything about this game. Apparently, there's this character called Angel Knives who... what is it? She'd punch a hole through your stomach before keeping your head off.
I'm never a big fan of these things.
wish I could play it.
Nice, ada beberapa item. Belakangnya ada sesuatu sih. Ada item lagi nih. Oke, nice, ada satu lagi. That's great. Loh,
Mandatory evacuation.
kok hilang? Tadi ada zombie di situ, ada clicker.
Quarantine zone. And some places got a heads up before
Ah,
the
ada.
infection showed up. Most didn't.
Man, must be hard. Just leaving all your stuff behind like that.
Noise, noise. Music store. Ada jalan sih. Oh, astaga. Kaget gua. Ya Allah.
What the hell was that?
Could be one of those traps.
Your friend a bit paranoid, maybe?
That's putting it lightly.
What's the deal with this guy?
Help us smuggle stuff into the cities. He knows how to find things.
Let's hope we don't blow up trying to find him.
Just watch your step, we'll be fine.
Oke, another. Oke, ada.
Jeez, you good with a bow?
I reckon he is.
Lo kok ke sono ditaruhnya. Go. Nah. Oh, let's go. Look at that. A bow.
Let me use that. I'm a pretty good shot with that thing.
How about we just leave this kind of stuff to me?
Well, we could both be armed. Cover each other.
I'm impressive.
Pakai rifle, pakai ini aja deh.
It's all clear, come on up.
Alright.
Kita butuh itu planknya. Bentar ya.
Here. Use this.
Bentar udah. Baru. Suaranya si Ellie.
Shit.
Oh, not again. Again. Oke. Itu asapnya Abil. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Mas. Sudah lama saya tidak melihat Anda. Ada trap. Trapnya si Bill nih.
See that wire? Stay underneath it, okay? Just keep your head low and you'll be fine.
You hear that?
Yeah. There's one way to do it.
PSG saya, Pak. Al Nassr saya. PSG apa tuh, Pak? 8 amonya, bro. Gila, ini banyak dong. Ada 18, oke.
See that? Get back. Come on.
Stay close.
PKL. Naon teh PKL? Kerja teh. Hah? Kerja tanpa dibayar. Waduh. Oh shit. Oh no.
I got you.
Damn it, Bill.
What just happened?
I don't know.
We're one of Bill's stupid traps. There, that fridge, it looks like that's a counterweight.
Okay.
Aduh, kebalik gini, cep. Astaga. Ada aja.
Cut that rope, and it'll bring me down.
On it.
Iya. Saya juga streaming nggak dibayar ini, Mas. Oh.
Joel.
Oh.
Shit, here they come. Into the rope. Ellie, how's it looking?
Nice headshot. No. Shit. Oh, clicker. Don't get any closer. Okay.
Take time, Ellie.
Hold on.
Oke.
You all right?
Aduh, malah makin tinggi, cok. Potong. Terus. Aduh.
Damn it.
Come on. Not cutting.
Ellie, they're getting... Just hurry. Hey, over here.
Oh no, no, no. Ellie. Nice. Headshot.
Hurry, they're getting closer. Get off, or you son of a bitch! Get off, or you son of a bitch!
Lari, Ellie. Nice. All of them. We fight. Ayo. Aduh. Siapa itu? Go. Run. Buset, siapa ini, Cok? Wah.
Bill, they're coming to the door! Stay back!
Hey.
All right, come on, we're almost there.
Oh, shit. God damn it, they're coming over!
Come on, they're getting through. Keep going this way. To the front.
Ayo cepet, Ellie. Aduh. Cepet, Cok.
Move!
It's over.
Ganti game, Pak.
That was close.
Seru, bro, ini, bro. Ntar abis ini ada Last of Us Part 2.
Ellie. Hey, what are you... Joel?
Bill!
What are you doing?
Bill!
Let me go.
Turn around and get on your knees.
Calm down a second.
Turn around,
Yeah.
right? Get on your knees. Don't test me. Just
Take it easy.
any bites. Oh. Anything sprouting?
God damn it, I'm clean!
I see so much as a trick. Ow!
Au.
Stop! Son of a bitch!
Seru apa ya?
Am I done? You come into my house, you set off all my traps, you damn near break my shooting arm. Who the fuck is this punk and what's she doing here?
I am none of your goddamn business, and we're here because you owe Joel some favors. And you can start by taking these off.
I owe Joel some favors, some kind of joke.
I'll cut to the chase. I need a car.
Well, it is a joke. Joel needs a car. Well, if I had one that works, which I sure as hell don't, what makes you think I'd just give it to you? Huh? Yeah, sure, Joel, go ahead. Take my car. Take all my food, too, while you're at it.
By the looks of it, you could lose some of that food.
You listen to me, you little shit.
No, fuck you! You handcuffed
I
me.
need you to shut up. All right?
Whatever favors you think I owe you ain't worth that much.
Actually, Bill, they are.
Well, it don't matter, because I don't have a car that works.
But there is one in this town.
Parts. There are parts in this town.
Meaning that you could fix one up.
All right. I'm gonna do this. There's some gear I'm gonna need. It's on the other side of town. Now you help me go gather it, and maybe I can put something together that runs. And after this, I owe you nothing.
That's fine. A couple days from now, we'll probably be dead anyway.
Good. Follow me. Whole goddamn town's booby trapped. Best stay right on my ass.
Dulu apa mau lanjut dulu, ada kepentingan pribadi duluan aja. Aman, bro. Santai-santai.
All right. Whatever supplies you may want or need, I suggest you grab them.
Thank you. Let's take a little run and see if there's anything we can use.
Isi. Note lagi. Ini si Eli. Oke, ini jangan deh pakai revolver.
You know how to play this?
Pretty badly, yeah.
I always wanted to learn.
Hey, Bobby Fischer, don't touch anything on that board.
Bobby, what?
He's married.
Found everything you need.
We're good. Come on.
Don't leave the door open.
You got it.
We have to cross to the other building. Up the stairs. Let's move it.
Just stay with me.
Can't believe you agreed to this bullshit, Bill. What you should have done, you just left him right there.
I'm not kidding about him.
Yeah, he's one of a kind.
Item.
Take a look around up here.
Nothing in there that I need. Go ahead, take whatever you want.
Thanks.
Cukup belum? 10 lagi ya? Oke, 10 lagi.
What kind of trouble are you in? Where the hell's Tess?
It's just a job. Simple drop-off.
What do you deliver?
Haha, fuck you too.
Oh. You know, I hope you know what you're doing.
Kidding me with this guy?
Where are we going, Bill?
Wait, I thought we were gonna fix up a car.
Bill.
It's like I said. We're gonna need more guns.
Bat. Enggak deh, makasih.
Come inside.
You didn't answer my question about Tess. You know, I thought the two of you were inseparable.
She's busy.
Yeah, sure. Busy. Like, might be trouble in paradise.
Yes, I know.
Alright, here we go.
So, why don't you fix one of these cars?
Oh my god, you're a genius. I mean, the whole time, why on earth hadn't I thought about fixing one of these cars?
Okay, don't be a dick.
Their tires are rotted and their batteries are dead.
Are you done?
Can't even begin to think what the inside of the engine blocks look like. Only ones making new car batteries are the new.
Oh,
Damn it.
Infected!
Lock and load.
I'm gonna need botol biar lebih hemat.
Bill? Joel. This way. Up we go.
Ada sesuatu.
That hell of a place to hold up, didn't you?
Not as bad as those things are once they're predictable. Normal people would scare me.
Setengah alkohol sama setengah rek.
People should understand that.
What does that mean?
Nothing. You sure that gate's gonna hold them?
I locked it. I don't have a key.
Iya, pintar juga. Bener.
So which
Ada
way?
benernya juga lu.
They're here. In the cellar.
Oh ini.
Down here. Here we are. You don't touch anything.
Ya.
And you close the door?
Idi.
Let's gear up.
What? I need a gun.
No, you don't.
Joel, I can handle myself.
No. Stay here.
Fine. Just wait around for you two to get me killed.
This goes on record as the worst fucking job you've ever taken.
Shotgun.
It's up there.
How in the hell is Tess okay with this suicide mission?
Must be her idea.
Really? Well, the broad's not as smart as I thought she was. But, fuck her. Seriously, you gotta take that kid back to where you found her.
I can't just take her back.
Then send her packing, let her find her own way. But let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, I had somebody that I cared about. Partner. Somebody I had to look after. And in this world, that sort of shit's good for one thing. Getting you killed. So you know what I did? I wisened the fuck up. And I realized it's gotta be just me.
Bill, it ain't like that. It's
Bullshit. It is just like... Hey! What'd I say to you when we walked down the steps? What'd I say?
I'm just fixing your stupid pile.
Don't touch. God damn it. You keep babysitting long enough and eventually it's gonna blow up in
Bill.
your face.
Can you please just get on with
Here. Let's get on with it. All right, before we go any further, I got something I gotta show you.
What you got?
New toy from the toy box. This is a nail bomb. You gotta be really careful. This thing blows, it shreds anybody standing nearby.
Oke.
So we got shotguns and bombs. What the hell are we doing?
Well, every few weeks this military caravan rides through town. I assume they're out looking for supplies. I mean, you'd be amazed at the shit that they overlook. Anyway, a few months back,
Apa tuh?
we were rolling through and they got overrun.
Oh.
They were all over the truck. Plows right in the side of the high school. Still sitting there with the battery in it.
So we take that battery and we put it in another car.
Bingo. I wanted to get it, but it seemed too dangerous with all the infected on that part of town. Fuck it. Joel needs a car.
What if it's damaged?
Nah, these trucks are like tanks. Just sit.
This isn't gonna work.
Sabar ya. Banyak item. Oke, namanya apa? Kita buat apa ya? Ini apa sih? Yang pertama gunting. Kita buat ini.
Let me go to work.
Pistol long gun. Kayaknya gue upgrade itu dulu deh. Clip capacity tidak perlu ini saja dulu nih. Pistol holster for second pistol. Kayaknya ini dulu deh. Second pistol. Hey, cok, ngomongnya benar. Second pistol. Habis itu ini clip capacity tidak perlu, ini clip mungkin clip capacity nggak bisa ya. Clip capacity, reload speed, fire rate. Kayaknya ini reload speed butuh deh. Oke. Ini fire rate mungkin nggak perlu clip capacity. Nggak usah. Dah, segitu aja dulu. Gunting lagi tuh. Wait up. Kaget gua. Ya bener lu ya. Tiba-tiba ada yang nyanyi, astaga. Nggak ada lagi, nggak ada mele, ya udah ambil aja. Gereja.
Nice place you got here.
If you got anything to confess, this would be the place to do it. Time to sack up.
Now they come up.
Yep. Here's the school.
All right.
Ready?
Guess we'll find out.
Dan sepertinya karena sudah malam, saya harus sudahan dulu. Dan terima kasih sudah nonton, terima kasih kawan-kawan sudah no comment nonton dari awal. Dan ya, terima kasih banyak. Saya save dulu. Oke, sudah. Belum, sorry. Oke, sip. Udah, terima kasih banyak. Ya, mungkin besok gua live streaming Last of Us lagi. Oke, sip. Dadah.